Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. I'm going to do a swipe on this older tile that I'm not fond of anymore. I'm just going to put down some Glidden Premium, which is probably a little bit too much. Take a little off. I use my palette knife. All right, so the colors today are, this is Light Blue Violet by Liquitex Basics. It's a purpley blue. Just drizzle it on whatever way. These are my bloom paints that I use for my blooms. This one is Mead Cerulean Blue. Any cerulean blue will do. I use lots of different brands of paint. Amsterdam, Liquitex Basics, Artist Loft, Deco Art, Arteza, Golden. I use a lot of different kinds of paint. I just don't use the real cheap craft paint. The Deco Art paint is good, but anything else I don't really use. I have some Arteza Pearl Waterfall, it's called. It's a pearl paint. And I have some Pearl White by Deco Art. Okay, I don't use a palette knife very often, so I'm trying to practice the technique of it all. All right. Always seems to be a lot at the end, the beginning. Well, they do come through. work very good. Okay. Spin it out. You could tip it too if you want. You don't have to spin it. Using all my cells. Let's try and spin it. Whoa. That wasn't a good trick. Thank God it stayed upright. Whoops. Holy moly. This is too slippery on here. I'm going to have to put a little bit of paint underneath. See if that'll hold it. Move it this way a bit. Oh. I'll try and put the dried result at the end of the video. If not, it'll be in the next video. My recipes are all in the description under my video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Helps me do more videos, helps me grow. I think that's good enough. That's pretty. Thanks for watching and have a good day.